The gorgeous peaches from our peach tree. These are the peaches. And over there, look at how beautiful. Peaches are so beautiful. Let's put this here. By this strawberries. This one is beautiful. Not ready yet, but it's nice when it's crunchy. We have a lot here on this branch. This one. Look at that, homegrown peach. Beautiful. Right? There's more up there. I'll get this one too. Oh, this one is a little ripe. That one is just like, see? Can you believe it that you can grow gorgeous peaches in your backyard? There are more out there. Actually, a lot on the other side. So let's put this down here. Let's move on to here. There's a spider web here. Oh, look at this funny looking peach. I don't know if I would get that. It's different shape. This. There are more there. This one. Yeah, this one. Look. Oh, beautiful. When they are ripe, you can put them on the freezer, and they are kind of like pure peach ice cream. See? Let's harvest more. This is for our like dinner later. Maybe 2 more. I like this one. Look at this. Look at the color. Okay, almost right. So we have how many? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's add one more. Lucky number 8. One more peach. Oh, look at this. Oh, there are more there. This one is beautiful. Oh, wow. This is so huge. Bigger than the other ones. The tomatoes here, look at this. Bigger than the other ones, right? Let's add the tomatoes here. And then our gorgeous peaches. Okay. We have a lot of on this branch. Look at this. We should have pruned them, but like, look, the gorgeous peaches from our peach tree.